How to give Google Tag Manager access to your freelancer or to your employee or to your client. So in this video, we're going to learn about it. So for example, I have taken this one. So Tracking Monk, if I want to give access to this account, account level, whatever happens in between this, like for container type, it could be web, it could be server. So how we can give access to anybody? Click on this settings button and the settings icon, and then go over here and click on user management. Okay, this one, this one, user management. If you want to give the account level access, so over here and then click on plus icon and then click on add users, and then for example you want to give access to someone like this one. For example, I've taken this one. Okay, click on invite. Okay, now here is the thing, you have to give the administrator access if you want him to you know make any changes or anything. At the time you need to give him administrator access. If you give him user access, then he will not make any changes. And now if you want to give him the container level access, then I'm gonna go over here. Okay, this is I'm in my container. So go to the admin section and look, this is the container, and go to the user management and then click on plus icon, add users, give the email, and then select all of them. If you want him to edit or add or delete any tag or anything like that, so you have to give his email and then click on invite. He can do everything. If you want to give somebody for auditing your Google Tag Manager account, then you just have to give him read access. That's all, right? So if you give him read access, then he can view your tags, triggers, and variables, everything, and he can tell that, okay, this is what your tracking should be, or these are the problems that you need to fix. So yeah, this is how you can give access to your Google Tag Manager access. So I've shown you Google Tag Manager account level access and container level access. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video.